Hello everyone, I am your host Ayushi Sethia and welcome back to our channel Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn that whenever a new order is placed in CloudWaitress, how we can create customer in Loyverse automatically. So first let us understand what these software applications are all about. The first application we are using is CloudWaitress, which is an online ordering system for the restaurants. And the second application we are using is Loyverse, which is a point of sale application specially designed for the restaurants, retail stores, cafes to manage their sales and inventory, customers and employees. So the idea here is that whenever a new order is placed by a customer in your CloudWaitress restaurant or an account, automatically a customer should get created into your Loyverse account. For this, we need to create a connection between both these software applications so that whenever the order is placed, automatically the customer is added to your Loyverse account. So in order to create a connection, we are going to use a software application named Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating both these software applications automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can use this software application very easily. So let us learn the integration process on my screen. To start the integration, let us type Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to products and click on Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option and you can create your own account in just 2 minutes. By clicking on sign up free button, you will get 100 tasks free every month. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on sign in. In the all apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on access now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to create a workflow. For that, come to this plus sign and click on create workflow. Now here we have to give a name to the workflow. So let us give the name as CloudWaitress to Loyverse integration. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement and simply click on create. Now here we can see a trigger window and an action window. So Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want that whenever a new order is placed through CloudWaitress, automatically a customer should get created into your Loyverse account. So open this trigger window and here in the choose application, let us find CloudWaitress. In the trigger event, we have to select new order placed. Now here we can see a webhook URL and some instructions. So let us read the instructions. Log into your CloudWaitress account, navigate to restaurants, select your restaurants in which you want to place the webhooks, navigate to the left sidebar settings, systems and go to the webhooks. So I'll just directly take you to my CloudWaitress account where I have already created some restaurants. So here I have created 2 restaurants. We are going to access food for your restaurant over here. Let's open it. And here we can find the settings option. Click on settings. And here when we scroll down, we can find the webhooks option. Click on it. Now we have to create a new webhook over here. For that, click on this red sign, create webhook. Now here we have to enable the webhook over here. Determines if the webhook is active or not. So we have to activate it. Now it is asking for the URL endpoint. So this will be the webhook URL which we have seen in Pabbly Connect. So we have to copy this webhook URL from here and we have to paste the same over here in our CloudWaitress account. Okay. Now here we have to move to events. Now trigger when a new order has been placed. So just keep this particular option as activated and make all the others as inactive. So this particular trigger is going to run whenever a new order will be placed. Okay, I'm just inactivating all of them. Okay, but make sure you have activated order created over here and along with that you have enabled the webhook over here. And let's click on save. Okay, webhook created. So the webhook has been created successfully. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect. Now here we can see that it is waiting for the webhook response. So in order to capture the response, we have to do a test submission. It means we have to order something on our restaurant. So I'll directly take you to my CloudWaitress account once again, and from here we are just going to view the store. Click on view store. We are redirected to the store. Okay, here I'm just going to order something. Let us select the margarita pizza over here and choose a service. Let us select it as delivery. Here we have to give the address. So let us give the address as E4234 Arera Colony, chain number shop, Bhopal. Okay. And when would you like your order? So here we can see that the current delivery is closed. We can choose it for later. And I'm selecting it as for Monday. And the time would be 11 a.m. And let's click on start order. Okay. We have to just select the pizza once again. We have to just add it to the cart. Base choice as thin. Okay. Click on add to cart. Item added to the cart. So we have to just check out from here. Order tip as 10%. And let's click on proceed to checkout. Confirm your order details. Okay, so let us give the details over here. Full name as Adam Smith. Email address as adamsmith123@gmail.com. Let's add the phone number. No, I don't want to set any delivery instructions, so I'm just leaving it as blank. Payment method as cash. And let's click on place order. And here we can see that our order is confirmed. Okay, let's move back to Pabbly Connect. And here when we scroll down, we can find that the response is received and all the details related to the order and the customer are captured over here. Okay, when we scroll down here, we can find the restaurant name as Food for You. We can find the address of the restaurant. Okay, and I'll just scroll down. Here we can find the name of the customer, his phone number, email address, and as well as his city, region, and all other details, his order details. All the details of the order are captured over here. So now we wanted using these details, automatically a customer should get created into your Loyverse account. For that, come to this action step. And here in the choose application, let us find Loyverse. In the action event, we have to select create customer. Click on connect. Click on add new connection and click on connect with Loyverse. Now it is asking for the signing. So I'm just entering the details over here. Now it is asking permission request. Pabbly Connect will be able to do the following. So let's click on allow and give away the access as the data is 100% safe with Pabbly Connect. Authorization successful. And now the Loyverse account is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now here we have to map the details of the customer like full name, email address, phone number. So we have already got these details from the CloudWaitress account over here. In the response, I'll just show it to you. So we are going to map all these details now. Okay. So let us map them one by one. I'm just going to map the full name from CloudWaitress and the full name was Adam Smith. Let us map the email address. And this was the customer details. Here we have to map the phone number. Here we have to map the address. So let us map the address. Okay, this is the restaurant address. Here we have to map the customer address. So this is the customer address. Let's map it. Here we have to map the city. City was Bhopal. Here we have to map the state. So we don't have the state details and the postal code details. So I'm just leaving it as blank. Here we have to map the country code. So as we are in India, I'm just mapping IN for India. Okay, if you want to mention some note, you can map it over here. And let's click on save and send test request. Okay, and here we can see the responses received. It means a new customer is added to our Loyverse account. Let's check it. Here we'll be moving to the customers section. Okay, and here we can see that Adam Smith is created over here as a new contact. Here we can find the email address as well as the mobile number of the customer. So in this way, we can see that our integration is working fine. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect and let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay. Now we have to check this in the real time whether integration is actually working fine or not. For that, we have to order something on the name of some other customer. So let's go to the store once again. And this time I'm just going to order this chicken pizza. Let's select the delivery, enter the address over here as EM 258 Indus Park, New Market, Bhopal. Okay, I have to just make it B. Let's click on later. Let us select the date, time as 1 p.m. Let's click on start order. Okay, I'll just select the base choice as classic this time. Okay, let's click on add to cart. Let's move to the cart. Okay, here we can find the item. Order tip as 10%. Let's click on proceed to checkout. Here we have to give the details of the customer. So I'm just changing the details. Let's give the full name as Smita Arya. Let's give the email address as Smita Arya 23@gmail.com. Let's add the mobile number. And payment method as cash. And let's click on place order. Okay, and here we can see that an order has been placed from Smita Arya. Now we have to check our Loyverse account, whether this particular customer is created over there or not. I'm just moving to my account over here. We have to just refresh it. Okay, and here we can find the details of a new customer named Smita Arya. Here we can find her email address as well as the mobile number. So in this way, we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine. So let's move back to Pabbly Connect and I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So first we have created an integration between CloudWaitress and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect has captured all the details of the order as well as the customer whenever a new order was placed. And using those details of the customer, automatically a new customer was created into your Loyverse account. And in this way, we have created a successful integration between CloudWaitress and Loyverse using Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business using Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can visit our Pabbly forum. To check the pricing details of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this particular URL. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.